We are here at 4367 Gloria Court. It is located at the end of this lovely little cul-de-sac. And we'll go inside. This is the first bedroom on the ground floor. Half bath. Two-car garage. Side yard access. Lovely little back porch, nice backyard space. Comes back in to the remodeled kitchen. This is the master bedroom. Bath. Walk-in closet. Another little closet. The two additional bedrooms upstairs. Another full bath. And the last bedroom. Again, this is 4367 Gloria Court, listed by Westgate Property Management. Thank you for watching.